Hey everybody, we're at the Drone Rodeo here outside of Boulder City. You can sneak in there if you like, it's cool. This is actually a racing drone. They were just racing them just a little bit ago.
Thank you.
So I wander around and talk to a few people that are here. Are you guys planning to fly shortly as well?
Possibly, yes.
All right, we'll come back out and shoot you if that's okay. All right, thanks guys. Well, I'm not sure, Greg. Actually, maybe a cowboy hat, huh? So while we're waiting for them, I'm going to wander into the booth here. There's actually a little tent area here. There's some cool stuff in here, and actually I just met a gentleman with Drone Art. So Drone Art, they actually use 3D printers. You can print your own bodies. It comes in a kit.
Yeah.
Just like so. So it's just smaller drones can actually be printed.
I know for me, I've got mine. I got
Chris.
All right, Chris. Yes. So tell us a little bit about. I know you told me, or your partner over here kind of explained a little bit earlier, but tell me a little bit about what makes Drone Art a little bit different than your normal drone company.
Sure. Actually, the name Drone Art is what we say is like the art of building drones, meaning that we know how to build drones with a difference. So the art term is more related to the design elements that we put into our drones, and the art of building drones is combining the drone technology with the art the design that we apply. Was a little bit different. We have 3D printable drones, which come from the 3D printer, just those small micro drones, 75mm drones. We ship them as a DIY kit. You can either print the frame from the 3D printer, but if you don't have a printer, we still provide a little carbon frame and the molded parts. There are 3 different versions. One is a FPV version with a camera and recording. There's another version which is just with the camera, so there's 0 latency for the FPV pilots. They may not want to have latency. And then there's a third version which is without camera and obviously without recording. So if you just want to fly line of sight, just have some fun indoors, you can fly that. So that's the Imprimo micro drone. Then the one in the middle, which is the Extreme V2.
That's this guy here?
That's the one with the red canopy and the color options.
Yep.
That is where we try to build the bridge between the real professional racing and the consumer. So it's a ready-to-fly racing drone with upgrade options. It has a 2S battery. You can upgrade it to a 3S battery. There's the standard propellers and upgrade race propeller setup.
And the price isn't even that bad on that one, is it?
It's $189.
$189. That's amazing.
It's completely ready to fly. It has a color display inside the transmitter, which is a 4.3-inch display. You can see the transmitter. Maybe I can just switch it on.
Okay.
That's what Chaz was always good at back in the day.
So basically that's the one. And when they fly outside, we can actually grab one of the images, or of course the image from our drone. But the rather cool thing about this, you can arm the motors here. So it's a typical problem for consumers, how to stop the motor. So what we said, okay, let's put an arm switch there. So it's very easy to use. It has an AV output. The AV output, you could just link it up to your headset, and then the headset wouldn't need a own receiver. It makes it a little bit lighter, and you don't need to carry a battery. Yeah, so that's pretty cool.
All right, and where can we find out more about Drone Art?
You can go to droneart.com.
Okay.
Obviously, excuse me. Obviously, there is all the information you need.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Chris. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
And I'm thinking not. Unfortunately, everybody, the rain is taking over out here, so it looks like we're going to obviously be calling the Drone Rodeo piece of this right now. So anyway, so we'll sign off from here, and hopefully if something changes, we'll come back at you. Thanks for joining in, everybody.